Are you looking for an easy to install garage screen? Then you'll want to get your hands on this one. It has beautiful details on the top and very easy to install. Simply attach the Velcro to each side of the garage and the top of the garage. Once the Velcro is on and you're ready to install, you simply attach the screen right to the Velcro. Another great feature of this screen is it does have magnets in the middle, so when you want to go in and out of the screen, you can do so very easily with the magnet. If you're looking for a garage screen to help keep out the bugs or maybe leaves blowing in, then this is for you. Easy installation and great quality.